What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a really big box that I just received in the mail today, and I know it's exactly what's in here. I got a new model today of an airline that I've never had in model form. This is the JC Wings Qatar Airways A350-900, and this is in the launch customer livery, so it has the Airbus tail. So I cannot wait to get into this. I've seen so many videos on this and now I'm super excited to get mine. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got this model from Waffle Collectibles. I'll link their page down in the description box below. Holy crap, this box is huge. Wow, look at this. Alright, there is the box. Looks absolutely amazing. This box is enormous too. So I've never gotten a JC Wings model before, so this is really interesting. Kind of reminds me of the in-flight 200 boxes where you kind of slide it out right here. So let's go ahead and slide it out and see what it looks like. Okay, and now this flap comes up. Okay, very nice protection here, and wow, there it is. Holy crap, that thing looks really nice. So let's go ahead and grab out the stand really quick. Oh wow, that's really cool. Has a personally engraved stand. Gemini 200 doesn't do that. They should definitely start doing that. And here is the plane. And right here is the landing gear. And there we go. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to get the camera down here. Look at this, guys. Doesn't this look absolutely amazing? So it's really heavy too. It feels just like a Gemini 200 plane. Wow, this is really incredible. Okay, I'm going to set this on the stand really quick so I can put the landing gear on. So we're going to go ahead and put the landing gear on really quick, and then we'll go over some of the details. So here's the landing gear. Let's get it out here. Okay, so it looks like these are magnetic just like the Gemini 200 models are. So let's go ahead and grab the model. And this one goes over here. Okay. This one goes here. And finally the nose gear. Alright, that was easy. So here she is. Alright, so let's go over some of the details. So of course up front we have the cockpit window of the A350. We got the nose cone, the Airbus logo, and the cockpit windows. You see there's the front door with the One World logo, as Qatar Airways is a part of the One World Alliance, and the Qatar titles on the side of the fuselage. Normally Qatar planes are a grayish color, but since this is the launch customer livery, the body is white. So obviously Qatar. And the engine detail. The engine has a lot of detail on the inside. Let's see if I can get a shot of that here. Yeah, there you go. And the fan blades do spin as well. Going back, there are some of the antennas. The rotating beacon lights on top. More antennas, and here it says the A350 XWB launch customer. Registration, Foxtrot, Whiskey, Zulu, November, Whiskey. And then here we have the tail, and it says A350 on it. That is the Airbus house colors, which is really cool. And then over on the wingtips, you see the Qatar logo, just like on the Delta A350 has the Delta logo. Just looks incredible. Let's go ahead and look at the underside. So there's the landing gear doors. Alright, so that is about it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and clear a spot for this, and then I'll show you guys where I'm putting this in my collection. Alright, so here is the plane next to all of my models. So I've actually grown my collection quite rapidly in the last few days. I've gotten all these planes right here are new arrivals. That one's new, 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 that one's new. And yeah, I've grown it quite a bit. And I've got one more coming in the next week or so. And this one's going to be probably the biggest and best one yet. So I cannot wait to show you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.